Electronic ways of organizing and retrieving information can save you a lot of time if used correctly. There are three kinds of electronic organization systems that can have a positive impact on how well you manage the limited and valuable time at your disposal: phone based systems, PC based systems, and network systems. You have a computer, of course, but for a lot of important information, you might prefer to rely on the good old paper and pen method. You always have an address book, your journal, and a notebook on your desk or in your bag when you are on the road. Or maybe you use paper and pen too sometimes, but electronic organization systems allow you to gather together all your important information conveniently in one place. That allows for a much more efficient use of time when you want to add or access data. Your colleague is very enthusiastic about the idea of improving her time management through exploiting the potential of electronic organization systems. However, judging by the list she gives you, she is somewhat confused by what is meant by the term electronic organization system. Help her out. What items should be on her list? As usual, we have first the options, which might be radio based systems, PC based systems, television based systems, telephone based systems, or networked systems. The three basic kinds of electronic organization systems that can have a positive impact on time management are PC based systems, telephone based systems, and network systems. This one is simple. Option 1, this choice is correct. Radio based systems are not an electronic organization system. They do not allow storage of or access to data. Electronic storage systems include PC, networked, and telephone systems. Option 2, this choice is correct. PC based systems are an electronic organization system. PC systems allow you to keep your schedule and files. You can access these for personal use in your office. Option 3, this choice is incorrect. Television based systems are not an electronic organization system. They do not allow storage or access to data. Electronic storage systems include again PC, network, and telephone systems. Option 4, this choice is correct. Telephone based systems are an electronic organization system. Telephone systems allows you to take your system with you, providing access to small amounts of information. Option 5, this choice is correct. Network systems are an electronic organization system. Network systems allow you to store a large amount of data that you can share with your team. There are fundamentally three types of systems, but when do you use each one? In other words, what kind of information organization requirement is each one good for? Andrew's life as a sales manager is a complicated one, and he often has to note and respond rapidly to fast changing situations. It's important that he is able to store and get hold of the information he needs, whether he is in the office or on the road. He makes intelligent use of electronic organization systems to organize his time. Here's what he says about each system. About telephone, he says that I can enter small amounts of information into my cell phone. It contains a list of telephone numbers and it stores and alerts me to a limited number of appointments. And because it's portable, I can use it anywhere. On personal computers, he states that I can store and access a lot of information on my PC in the office and on my laptop computer. These computers have full address books and sophisticated calendars, as well as many systematically organized folders and files. And on the networks, he says that I keep a large amount of data on my computer, which is connected to the computers of other people in my project team. We have access to the information on each other's computers so we can share data. Andrew's telephone based system and PC based system are personal to him. He puts data into the system and he uses that data in the course of his working day. It helps him to be personally more efficient. The network system, on the other hand, connects him with other people in his project team. All the team members share the data in the system. A network system is ideal for a situation where you are working closely with a team of people, but they may not be present in the same office with you. A network organization system enables the members of a team to manage their time better, but it is not portable unless a cloud solution is used. Follow along as Andrew reflects on the flexibility offered by the telephone and personal computer. Not long ago, I only had access to information in my telephone when I was in my office. Now I have a cell phone that's completely portable. I have an enormous amount of information in my desktop PC in my office, but because I have a laptop computer as well, I can store a lot of information and also enjoy portability. Increasing numbers of people use some kind of handheld organizer as a convenient way of bringing together and integrating the information they need. A handheld organizer, or a smartphone for that matter, is really a kind of small and highly portable personal computer. It is not very convenient for data processing because it doesn't have a conventional keyboard, but it can store a lot of personally useful information. So, you need an electronic system to help organize necessary information and allow you to manage your time efficiently. In other words, you need a system that allows you to keep a lot of information about people and your schedule. It's to be used by you, not other people, and it would be nice if you could carry it around. You want a system that stores small amounts of information that you need personally to contact people. It would be good to be able to store some appointments, and it's really important that the system is very portable. You might want it to be able to store a lot of data, which you can change as necessary. And it might be really important that other people on the team can use the system to access your stored information and vice versa. So, to conclude, although there will still be occasions where you will want to resort to pen and paper, using electronic organization systems will help you improve your efficiency if you use them in the right way. This is it about the technical side of your time management. The aim of this course is not to focus on a specific electronic organizer system. There are many to explore and quite at hand now. The point of this lecture was to present and compare the main categories. Next, we will learn about the time stealers, and you will start by understanding the benefits of knowing how to avoid time stealers.